He quoted, Rijuji quoted against some rule, Psalm 38, but he has forgotten to.
I on my legs, all of you sit, please sit. No, you please take your seat.
238A, he has forgotten.
One minute. You please take your seat. I have already called our Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister. He has given some speech. For that, they want to put their view. You listen. Without listening to him, how come you know what he is going to speak? Yes. Yes.
सर, अब रिजू से मुझे सीखना पड़ रहा है। अरे रूल मैं भी ले रहा हूं ना, और आपके चेंबर में आके बोलते हैं, रोज वही लिख के आकर पढ़ते हैं। ये अगर रूल्स नहीं पढ़ूंगा, अगर मेरा मैटर अगर नहीं पढ़ूंगा, क्या तुम दिए सो मैं पढ़ूं? अरे इट इज माई राइट व्हाट टू स्पीक, when to speak, how to speak. This is the rule book, and this rule book, what it says, you are insulting my member. And Pawan Khera, you took his name, and you are insulting him as if you are everything. And sir, just I want. We raised only genuine questions concerning to the country, concerning 140 crores people asked us question, and we are asking only Home Minister, Prime Minister should come to a statement. We are asking nothing. There should be a statement. I am ready to have a debate. So that's why I have brought the note.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat.
I request you, sir.
Please take your seat. Please take your seat.
You direct Home Minister. Now should come here, give their statement. We are ready to discuss. Now we are ready to discuss.
Okay. And
I
will put it.
He should not make any comments. He has no right.
You put your request. I will look into it. You have made your request. I will look into it.
Now I request you to speak like
now.
Can you direct me?
No.
You can direct me, sir. You can direct.
No.
He has no authority to tell us what I want to speak. How he is going to speak.
You have put your request. I request.
Sir,
now the government is willing to
this
respond.
rule
Let me
call the Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs.
Let him respond.
I will read. No allegations of defamatory
One minute. Let him.
or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any other member or a member of the House unless
Please,
the member
please.
asking the allegation.
What is the problem? Let him speak.
He, our Pawan Khera ji, he is time. For them, who is he? He don't know the rules.
Our honorable minister is sitting here. He is going to say you are shouting.
Know the rules. He is learned man, good man, and you are telling that he should read.
Okay,
The rules are like this. The rules everybody knows.
Right.
And sir, I want to tell one example. In this house, this means the Rajya Sabha, there, the Jaitley ji himself said, disruption is a part of democracy, partial of democracy. You can raise any questions which are relevant to the proceedings. Here, when we are asking, they are escaping. They are.
That is not correct.
No.
That is not correct. Let him. I will ask him to respond.
Why the Prime Minister is not coming?
Honorable Minister.
Why the Home Minister is not coming?
He is responding.
Why they are
He is responding to your
He is
question.
always, sir.
No, he is responding to your question. I have already called Honorable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs to respond.
Something that leader of opposition will make
some rules as a point to speak. I quoted 2 rules. He has not quoted any rules. He stood up. Sir, you gave him time and the leader of opposition spoke. As a person, he is a senior member. He is also a leader of opposition.
No,
But he has not quoted any ruls.
Let me ask him. You please wait. Please wait.
I reiterate again, Rule 240. I had already quoted that time also. That while you had given him chance to speak every day, he kept on raising the same matter which he raised for 7 days. That is why the rule was specifically mentioned that a member cannot refer to the same matter which he has already spoken with the permission of the chair.
Okay,
Whether he is the opposition member or ruling party, you cannot give direction to the chair. You can only make requests. You can demand. It is your right. But you cannot dictate the house and you cannot pass any direction to the chair. On the matter with regarding to the new member, I want to facilitate the new member. Pawan Khera is a new member. As a parliamentary affairs minister, I want to facilitate him. But the problem is, he has not made his maiden speech yet. There was enough ample chance for a member to speak. There are so many other members who have been elected newly, they got chance. The Congress party, they kept shouting their new members are not learning anything because their leadership is not giving them chance. He is unable to speak. I only made suggestion that he is neither on his seat nor on any rule, coming in the floor right in front of the chair and kept shouting slogans. That is why, that is against the rule. I request once again, let the new member be given the chance to speak. The Congress party should give the young members or the new members chance. My point is as per rule, but I'm sorry, the leader of the opposition did not quote any rule, did not mention any rule. He simply dictated the chair. But I request Khargeji, I request once again, let the house function.
Now I request you to consider his request that he requested the Home Minister to come to the House. You represent it to it. It is his will. But you, as a Parliamentary Affairs Minister, you can echo the sentiments of the opposition to the HF.
I have accepted whatever they have.
Now I'm coming back to you. Now Tiwari ji,
Sir,
first.
I think this is a question hour. This is question hour, and they have enough disrupted the question hour. LOP has made a point, but we have a collective responsibility. He cannot dictate which minister to come on which date.
No.
We have a system.
He is not dictating. No. He is not dictating. He has put his request